Hey, this is Brad from Acoustic Worshiper. I'm going to show you how to use a capo the proper way in a worship setting. So first of all, with a capo, it's not a crutch, it's a tool. So you should only use it if you need to. And times when you need to use it would be if you need to transpose a song to a different key. Maybe if you're going to a flat key. For example, if you're going from the key of G up one step, what you can do is put the capo on your first fret, then you're playing a G shape up here. It sounds a lot better because you still get that open G sound, but you're not having to take a G and play some kind of bar chord like that. Another thing you can do is if you're playing in the key of B, that would be capo 4th fret, then your G shape puts you in a B. What you can do there, to play a B also, you could put the capo on the 2nd fret and play an A. That would give you some open sounding chords, whereas if you're playing without a capo, trying to play in the key of B, for an electric guitar player that's no problem. They can do all kind of different things because they're playing parts of the chord. But for acoustic players, if you're playing in the key of B, you would rather have an open sound to it. So two options would be 2nd fret, play in the key of A, or you could go on the 4th fret and play in the key of G, play the chords from the key of G. So the bottom line to this is there's a lot of versatility you have with the capo. The main thing is just to not use it as a crutch. You don't want to play every song in worship music using the same chords. So if you only know the key of G and you play something in D, you don't want to have to go way up here and play a D here. That makes your guitar sound like a toy. So if that's where you are right now, that's fine. You can do that, but just know that there's a better way to do it, and you can always push yourself to learn and grow, and that's what I'm all about. So head on over to acousticworshiper.com for more resources and ways you can do that. Thanks. Hey, if you like what you've just watched, head over to acousticworshiper.com for more resources on how to play acoustic guitar for worship at your next level. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.